Children, so in this session we are going to learn something very interesting. What is it, children? Yes, it is the next part of my senses. Okay, so in this we are going to learn about the tastes and smells. We are going to learn about the taste and smells. Right, children? Okay, so whenever we eat anything, it has different taste. Different things has different taste, right? One particular thing has its own टेस्ट, राइट चिल्ड्रन? यस, सो जो भी हम लोग खाते हैं उसका एक अपना टेस्ट होता है ना? तो अलग अलग चीज़ों का अलग अलग टेस्ट है. ओके, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द टेस्ट एंड स्मेल्स. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, यू नो दैट हाउ वी टेस्ट, हाउ वी कम टू नो अबाउट द टेस्ट. टेस्ट के बारे में कैसे पता चलता है? यस, through our tongue. Yes, we come to know about the taste. आपने कुछ भी खाया, right? तो आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि ये कौन सा टेस्ट है? टंग से. yes, you know children, हमारे टंग्स पे ना देयर आर टेस्ट बर्ड्स होते हैं. हमारे टंग पे ना टाइनी टाइनी, वेरी टाइनी टेस्ट बर्ड्स होते हैं, राइट? टेस्ट बर्ड्स आपको पता है कितने टेस्ट बर्ड्स होते हैं? There are around 10,000 taste buds. कितने? 10,000 taste buds होते हैं हमारे टंग पे. Yes, and they help us to taste the things. See, यहाँ पे आप देखो, सामने स्क्रीन पे देखो. Yes, हमारे टंग पे ऐसे different, there are 1,000 taste buds. But we have how many taste? Tastes कितने होते हैं? Yes, taste senses कितने हैं हमारे? Yes, there are 5 taste senses. Okay, there are 5 taste senses. कौन से हैं? Which are those? See, look at this. First is sweet taste. Sweet. Then sour. Spicy. Bitter. Salty. So there are 5 taste senses: sweet, sour, spicy, bitter and salty. So what is it? I will tell you in a detail. Okay? Yes. Now children, let's start with the sweet. Okay, let's start with the sweet taste. Okay, so the first and the most important taste is sweet. Yes, you like sweet things, right? Sweet foods. Yes, what are these, children? Yum. Yes, क्या क्या है यहाँ पे? Yes, there is a candies. There are candies, chocolates, और क्या है? लड्डूज, right? And cake, right? Which taste it has? All these things, इन सब का टेस्ट कैसा होता है? Yum. Yes, it has a sweet taste. Sweet होता है ना? टेस्ट कैसा होता है उनका? Sweet. You like it, right? Chocolates, candies, laddus and cakes and so many more things also have a sweet taste, right? Children like to eat sweets, right? Yes. Okay. So now we will turn to the next taste, which is that spicy. Spicy. Now what are the food we have which has a spicy taste? Spicy means hot. Spicy means hot, right? Okay. Now first tell me, when you eat sweet, which type of a face you make? When you eat candies, chocolates, which type of face you make? You make a Yum, right? Yes. And when we have a spicy food, which are the spicy food? Spicy are very hot, right? What is it? Yes, it is chili. है ना? When you eat chili, how you do? Water, right? Yes, you ask for water. Yes, so it is spicy. Which taste it is? Spicy. And samosas. Samosas also have a spicy taste. It's spicy. They are hot, right? It's hot when you eat samosas. You how you do? How you do your face? Do it? Ah, spicy. It's hot, right? So it has a spicy taste. Now look at these curry, spicy curry. It's red colored curry, right? Okay, so this curry also has a spicy taste, hot taste, spicy, right? Okay, now turn to the next taste. What is it? Bitter. Now, what is bitter taste? You like food with a bitter taste? Ah? No, I know that you don't like that. You know what things have bitter taste? Yes. How you do? Yuck. See? Do you eat this? Yes? Neem. Neem leaf have a bitter taste. Neem leaf have a bitter taste. Then medicines. Yuck. How you do? Yuck. You like to eat medicines? No, I know that. Okay, I too don't like. Okay. Then bitter gourd. It's a bitter gourd. So this neem, medicines, bitter gourd have a bitter taste. It has a bitter taste, right? So when you eat this, how you what type of face you make? Yeah, right? Yes, make kind of a faces, right? Okay, now turn to the next. That is salty. That is salty. Now what is salty? Which has a taste of a salt. You know, children, salt is very much important. Yes, salt is very much important. In every veggie curry, we add salt in most of means most of the food items. Instead of the sweet items, we use salt in that, right? It gives a flavor, and also salt is very much important for our health, right? Okay, so salt. See, mummy put salt in curries and veggies, right? Yes. So, what are the food items have a salty taste? Yes. See? Yes. Popcorns. Yes, popcorns have a salty taste, right? Popcorn have a salty taste, right? You when mama make a popcorn at home, she adds a salt into that, right? Yes. Salt. This is a salt, right? Ask your mama that show me the salt, right? Ask your mama, okay? Then chips. Chips, right? Yes, different chips have a salty taste. Chips have a salty taste. So you understood the salty taste, children? Yes. So when salt means in your curry, salt means sometimes it happens na salt get means more salt is by mistake mama sometimes make it a salty curry, right? So how which type of face you make, right? You make like, no, it's so salty, right? Yes, but a limited salt is very much necessary. Sometimes it happens, right? Yes. Okay. So, next is sour taste. It's a sour. Okay. Now, what are the food items have a sour taste? Yes. What type of a face we make? Yes. It's sour. Right. What is it? Lemon. Lemon have a sour taste. Tomato. Tomato. You eat tomatoes. Lemon. Yes. You taste lemons. Yes. It has a sour taste. Orange. Orange too have a sour taste. And what is it? Tamarind. It is a tamarind. So lemon, tomato, orange and tamarind have a sour taste. Right? Okay. So what type of face you make? Yes, when you eat sour taste, food item of a sour taste. Yes, they are tasty, right? They are tasty. Yes. Okay. So children, you understood 5 types of taste? Yes. Sweet, sour, spicy, bitter and salty. Okay. So tell me how you do when you eat the sweet. Yes, sweet is it's sweet, right? When you eat candies, when I eat candies, I say it's sweet, right? When I eat chilies, I say it's hot, it's hot. When I eat, yes, when I eat medicines, I say yuck, I say yuck. When I eat salty, I said okay, it's good taste. It has a good taste. Okay. When I eat sour, I say yes, it's sour. It's sour. Right? Okay. So now we will do small activity. Yes, this is your activity page. Okay. Now, children, what you have to do? You have to circle the correct food item. Okay? Yes. Now, first, what you have to circle? Okay. You have to, there is a sweet. It is written SWEET, sweet. Okay. Now, tell me in this row, which are the items are sweet? Okay. Ice cube is sweet, children? No, ice cube is not sweet. Honey, next is honey. Honey is sweet, children? Yes, honey has a sweet taste. So, circle it. Yes. Now, capsicum is a sweet, children? No, capsicum is not sweet. Okay. Yes. Now, next is SPICY. 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 Hot. Right? Yes. So, now what is this, children? Chilies. Chilies are spicy. Chilies are spicy. They are hot. Yes. So, circle it. Yes. Now tell me, cake is spicy? No. Salt is spicy? No. Okay. Now next is bitter. 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 Bitter is yuck, right? So Banana. Banana is bitter. No, banana is not bitter. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is bitter. Yes, bitter gourd is bitter. So circle it. Coffee. Coffee is a bitter? No. Okay. Now SALTY. 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 What is salty? Okay. Papaya. Papaya is salty? No. Coffee is salty? No. Chips. Chips are salty? Yes, chips are salty. Yes. Now next is sour. 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 Sour taste. Right? Okay. So ice cream is salty, children? No. Lemon is ice cream is sour? No. Lemon is sour? Yes, lemon is sour. Yes. Watermelon is sour? No, watermelon is not sour. Yes. Okay.